Many beginner traders struggle to find a reliable trading strategy that doesn't require staring at charts for hours and establishing a daily bias. Today, in this video, we will be discussing a trading strategy for gold with an insanely high win rate. The best part is that you don't need any daily bias to trade this strategy. You'll only need to take one trade per day at a specific time, so you won't have to monitor the charts all day. This strategy can help you make consistent profits and easily pass your funding challenges. Moreover, you also don't have to worry about news events while trading. I will go through the rules for trading this strategy, and I will also drop a few gems at the end, so make sure to watch carefully till the end. Without any further ado, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Before we dive into the steps and rules for trading this gold strategy, make sure to calibrate your trading view chart to New York or Eastern Standard Time. This ensures that you are trading at the correct time of the day, because we know that time is more important than the price. Our trading window will be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is where we will be looking for trade setup and entry. First of all, we have to come to our charts 3 to 5 minutes before 8 p.m. And on a 15-minute time frame, we have to mark the recent swing high and recent swing low. Remember, it is 8 p.m., not 8 a.m. After the 8 p.m. opening, we have to wait for either that swing high or swing low to be taken out. This is also where the Asian session starts, so volatility will be injected into the market. Once the 15-minute swing high or low is taken, we will drop down to the 1-minute time frame and wait for the market structure to shift with energetic displacement. Make sure that the candle must close beyond the recent swing point to confirm that the market is now switching the order flow. After the market structure shift, you can enter right away, but it will give you a low risk to reward ratio. You can go with it if you are fine with it. But for a better risk to reward ratio, you can take an entry from the fair value gap or the break block, which is basically consecutive up or down close candles, providing us a more healthy risk to reward ratio. Our stop loss will be above the recent swing point or above the breaker block. Make sure to give a little bit of breathing room to deal with the spreads. And for our profit target, we will aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Once the trade reaches a 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio, we will take 80% off the position and go break even, and let the remaining 20% run towards the take profit level. This risk management technique is optional, but it will help you with your psychology and also boost your win rate. You can also trail your stop loss according to your risk parameters for even more profits. Once 10 p.m. hits and you don't have any setup, then we will stop trading, close our chart, and come back the next day. Make sure to follow these rules strictly and you will start seeing consistent results. Now let's have a look at a couple of examples so you can further understand the strategy. Here we are on the 15-minute time frame for gold, 5 minutes before 8 p.m. Let's go ahead and mark out the recent swing high and recent swing low. Let me also mark the ending of the trading window with a vertical line, which will be at 10 p.m. for demonstration purposes to know when we have to stop looking for trades. We will now play the price ahead and wait patiently for either of these swing points to be taken out. 15 minutes into the trading window, you can see that we swept this swing high. Notice how we wicked through and didn't close above the high. Now we will go lower to the 1-minute time frame and look for a market structure shift. I want the price to close below this low to confirm our market structure shift, as this is the last low that created the new high. Moving price forward, the price once again created a new high, so this will be our new low where I want to get a market structure shift at. We created another new high, so this will be our new low for the potential market structure shift. I will keep on doing it until we get a market structure shift, or if we reach the end of the time window. We finally got our market structure shift as we have a candle closure below the recent swing low. I will take a trade here. Stop loss will be above this recent swing high. And for the profit target, I will aim for a simple 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Let me place the limit order risking 1% and see how this plays out. Price tagged us into the trade. We also tapped into this fair value gap. You could have taken a trade off of it as well. Afterward, price melted to our take profit level within a few minutes, giving us a beautiful 2-hour trade. Price went further and also targeted the sell side liquidity below, so you could have trailed your stop loss for even more profits, which would have given you an insane risk to reward ratio. But this doesn't happen every time, so I would suggest you to stick to 1 to 2 risks to reward for better psychology and easier trade management. Before moving forward to our next example, if you want to take a shortcut to profitability, then apply for the Trading Titan Blueprint by checking out the first link in the description. I will also guide you personally to ensure that you achieve your trading dream. Now, let's jump to our second example. I will first mark up the starting and end of our trading window, which is from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Afterward, let's mark our recent swing high and swing low. This is the last swing high we have. As you can see, there are lower candles left and on the right to this high, creating a swing formation. And the recent swing low is going to be this one. After marking both of them, let's fast forward the price and see how it plays out. We took out the swing high, so we will be dropping down to the 1-minute time frame and looking for our entry criteria. As we can see, price has already closed below this recent swing low that created the new high, giving us our market structure shift. We can see that we have this breaker block, which is also overlapping with this fair value gap, making it a high probability level to take our entry from. I will place my limit order. The stop loss will be above this recent swing high, and for the profit target, I will target the classic 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. You can be more flexible and also target this sell side liquidity resting below. Let me place the limit order and let the setup play out. Price retraced and triggered us into the trade. I will jump to a 5-minute time frame so I can play the price faster. Just like that, the price went in our direction within a few candles and hit our TP, also taking the sell side liquidity below and even continuing further. You could have capitalized even more by trailing your stop loss. This is how easy trading should be. You don't need 17 different concepts to be profitable. Let's summarize all the rules and steps for trading this gold strategy, then I will share the tips and gems. Our trading window will be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. New York local time. We will come to our charts 5 minutes before the trading window and mark out our recent swing high and low on the 15-minute time frame. Once 8 p.m. hits, we will wait for either the swing high or the swing low to be taken out. After either of the swing points is taken, we will go lower to the 1-minute time frame and wait for a market structure shift with displacement. As soon as we get a market structure shift, we will enter the trade at the breaker block or the fair value gap or overlap of both. Stop loss will be placed beyond the recent swing point, and we will aim for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. As a bonus for sticking around, here are a few golden nuggets for you, so make sure to note them out as well. This strategy is primarily for gold, but you can also use it to trade other correlative metals such as silver. If we have already smashed our take profit level before giving us our entry, it is better to cancel your limit order and come back the next day for more opportunities. I wanted to add more examples, but I aim to keep the video short and simple. Now it is time for you to go and backtest this strategy and share the result. If you have any questions or doubts, let me know in the comments. If this video gets 100 likes, then I will upload a video on the Diamond Bullet trading strategy, which is an improved version of the Silver Bullet. The PDF for this strategy will be available to download on my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Also, don't forget to check out the Trading Titan Blueprint as well before it is gone forever. See you very soon. Peace.